Hello, this is Scott with the Dirty Gringo, and in this video, I'll show you how to properly install our leather lever motorcycle covers. Step 1 is to simply do a quick test fit to make sure it fits your application. Our covers are designed to fit most common Harley-Davidson applications. If for some reason your levers are longer or shorter, or just don't fit quite right, feel free to contact us and we can make you a custom set. Step 2 is to pre-lace the lever cover prior to putting it onto the motorcycle. The most critical step is to be able to clearly identify which is the front side, or the side that faces outward in front of the motorcycle, versus the inside, which is the side that will rest against the metal lever cover. Here is a quick diagram showing how the lace will be inserted. It will be inserted on the finished side and run through on the inside. For this clip, I've created a custom lever cover with fewer holes to help illustrate the proper insertion and direction of the lace itself. It's sort of like lacing a shoe, and here you can see that I'm pulling the lace up from the back side along the wider edge, which should be the edge towards the headlight. Once you get it all the way through, pull the lace to where it's equidistant or equal in length on both sides. Note in this next clip that the lace is running on the inside. When the lever cover is installed, this will not be visible. If you flip it and put it on the other side, you'll see the lace exposed on the outer surface. Going from the top to the bottom, crisscross, and bringing the lace up through the next adjacent hole. Again, the lever cover in this clip was made with fewer holes just for illustrative purposes, to help you better understand the procedure and sequence of pulling the lace up through the holes. Our actual stock lever cover has 13 holes across, so it's very important to take your time, go slow, and make sure you've gotten the lace into the correct holes. We recommend lacing the lever cover relatively loose, and then on a second pass, snug everything up to adjust. Snug the lace up just enough to fit over the lever. On the third and final step, I recommend using a pair of needle nose pliers to go in and, starting on the inside or headlight side, start by doing the final tightening. This can usually be done in 1 to 2 steps, depending on how tight you want the lever cover to be. The next step is to tie off the ends in a single knot and insert the supplied stainless steel ball. You can either crimp the ball or tie a separate knot on the outside, depending on your preference. Feel free to cut the excess lace to your desired specifications. We're fortunate to have our own equipment in-house to make our own lace, so we can measure and monitor quality. Keep in mind though that it is just leather during the final tightening and not aircraft cable. Be careful not to pull too tight and either break the lace or rip the eyelet in the lever cover. Thanks for watching our video, and we truly hope it helps with your installation. Please keep us in mind for any custom lever covers with any custom design, logo, or text. We're pretty passionate about custom motorcycle artwork. We can help you design and create, do some pretty cool motorcycle gas tank panels and fender bibs, and can really help out with making your bike custom and stand out from everyone else's. Thanks again for watching.